Hey guys, it's Ben over at the Dog Ranch Resort in Daphne. Today I have our groomer Blaze with us, and she's going to tell us a little bit about how to keep your dog's ears nice and clean. So take it away, Blaze.
Yeah, so I know that's a yucky part of your dog, and you always smell something coming from their ears. It's actually the bacteria and yeast that live in there. And most of it perfectly natural. They should be able to take care of themselves. But I want to provide you with some tips for home care, because they can get pretty bad. So for home care, an ear flush. Never put cotton swabs, cotton balls in the ear canal. You will actually impact the earwax and probably cause an infection.
Kind of just like humans if we stick our Q-tips in too far.
And everybody sticks Q-tips in their ears, even though it's not recommended. But really think about your pup on this one. Their ear canal is different. We have a kind of straight shot. Dogs have an L-shaped ear canal.
So Blaze, kind of tell me about that weird smell that's coming out of my dog's ears. How do I get rid of that?
Okay, first we have to identify what that is. Now, if you lift up their ear flap and you actually see redness or black gunk, that's more of a warrant to the vet, and they'll provide something. But typically, it's an ear flush you would take care of them at home with.
Gotcha.
So an ear flush is a liquid that you pour down the ear canal, and then you massage it in, and it'll break apart the wax. It'll help clean out some of that bacteria, some of that yeast, that Cheetos smell that you get from the ears, and you can do that at home. You can do it about once a week. I know it's scary to pour something down a dog's ear, but it's a lot safer than actually pushing a foreign object in their ear canal.
So Blaze, sometimes I notice that my dog's ears are red. What do I do about getting that redness away?
So it really depends on how you feel and how you know your dog's behavior. If you see they're in a lot of discomfort, take them to the vet and the vet will prescribe something for you. But if you just see some mild inflammation and you're like, you know what, I can take care of this at home, Zymox makes a product for inflammation relief, and that's really good. It's twice a day product. So if you don't feel comfortable doing that, go to the vet and they'll give you something.
Wonderful. Now, I know you're not a veterinarian, but from every now and then, my dogs have gotten cuts on their ears, and it takes a really long time for them to stop bleeding. So what do I typically do in that situation?
So that is an extreme situation, and because you do work at a doggy daycare, as do I, and it can happen at home. A dog's ear can, they can snag it on something. It has a lot of blood vessels and capillaries, and it's just a high volume area for blood. So what you can do is apply pressure and keep pressure there. You can also put cornstarch, just like if you quick the nail, but really what's going to stop the bleeding is the pressure, and then you can get an ice bag, and even if you can't get an ice bag, a bag of frozen peas will actually work really well.
Gotcha. Well, thank you, Blaze, for stopping in today. We look forward to hearing from you more in the future.
Yes.